Here's how to hide or block certain games on Twitch. To do this, we first need to download a free extension called FrankerFaceZ, or FFZ for short. You can download this on their site and is currently available for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, Safari, and Pale Moon. After the extension is installed, go to Twitch and type in the name of the game that you want to avoid. For this example, we'll be using Hogwarts Legacy. Now, this page will show channels, but what we want is further down, the categories. Here in the categories, we'll see the game we want to avoid. Open up the page and you'll see a purple follow button, and now, thanks to FFZ, you'll also see a handy block button as well as a hide thumbnails button. Pressing the block button will remove the game from your feed as well as from your followed channels list, so even if somebody else is playing it, you can avoid seeing it mentioned. Hiding the thumbnail causes a censor to appear over the thumbnail, preventing you from seeing any gameplay from the game. I hope this tutorial helps you. Also, fuck J.K. Rowling.